I will continue with my crusade for more health reforms. Patuloy ang serbisyo at malasakit ko sa ating kapwa Pilipino. I was able to author and sponsor Republic Act 11463 during the 18th Congress, or the Malasakit Centers Act, which establishes Malasakit Centers in all DOH-run hospitals and the PGH to give convenient access to medical assistance provided by DOH, DSWD, PCSO, and PhilHealth. To date, more than 15 million patients were catered by Malasakit Centers. We also passed Republic Act 11959, or the Regional Specialty Centers Act. Nakakuha tayo ng unanimous support from our colleagues sa pagpasa ng batas na ito. We were also able to successfully sponsor the passage of 92 laws to upgrade and establish public hospitals all over the country.